Welcome to Earncryptos. In this video you learn how to buy on spot. Okay, so this right here is a spot session, so it's already on spot. This is derivative, this is spot. Okay, so and these are the pairs we want to choose from that we want to buy. Okay, so let's say you want to buy XRP, so this is XRP right here. So all we have to do is to just click on it and you will see the current price. So this is the current price right here. Okay, so all you have to do now, click on buy. This is buy right here, so we'll click on buy. So it's going to show us this option. So right here you will see limit. So what it simply means is that you can set a price you want to buy at. Okay, so you can see the current price right here. So let's say you want to buy it at $2, so you feel the price could drop to $2. So all you have to do, just come to here, this place where you have price, and just set your $2 there. Okay, so you just type 2, so that's the price you want to buy it at. Okay, then the next box is where we have quantity right here. So that's where you type the quantity of XRP, that's the token that you want to buy. Okay, so let's say we want to buy 1,000 of it at $2 each. So you can see right here, that is the amount we are going to pay. Look at it down here. So you're going to pay 2 times 1,000, which is 2,000 USDT. So this 2,000 USDT will be removed from your available balance right here. Okay, all right, so what we want to do next is to click on buy. So just click on buy and that will be it. Okay, so now you can see the order right here. Because the current price is still above $2, your order is going to be waiting for the price to drop to $2. Okay, so let's assume you want to buy it immediately, you don't want to wait, you just want to buy. So you can cancel this one and then come back to this place where you have limit. So you click on it and you change it to market. So you can see right here, this is market. Okay, so you click on market. So what it simply means is going to buy at the current price. So all you have to do now is to enter the amount you want to pay to buy. So let's say you want to pay $2,000, 2,000 USDT to buy. So then the next thing is to click on buy. Just click on buy. All right, so it's going to ask you, do you want to pay 2,000 USDT to buy XRP? Say buy, like confirm it. Okay, so once that is confirmed, you will see your order has been fulfilled, and now you can see your 50,000 has reduced to 48,000. So where is your XRP? You can see your XRP when you click on sell. See, this is sell. So when you click on sell, you see the XRP that you've bought. You can see it right here. So you now have 913 XRP available for you. So that is it. That is how to buy any token on Bybit. So remember, this is demo trading, so we recommend that new traders practice with demo so that they can learn how to survive in the market first before you can now learn how to make profit. Okay, so see you in the next video where we'll teach you how to sell on spot.